These are the resources that I've used to teach transition pieces. One of my resources is simply a cereal box that I created a development out of. This is simply to revise the topic of development and give people a reminder of what it is about. It's about folding out your shape into a flat surface. And on the inside of that cereal box, I created the development of a question from the book. So I simply drew it here on one side of the cardboard, cut it out, and when I cut it out, I'm able to use the cereal box as the planes of reference and then show the shape actually formulated and the actual lines inside it from the drawing.
So what does the pancake mix bottle show?
The pancake mix shows a circular transition piece. So we're going from one circle to another. And this is our transition piece in the middle. This just shows students what a transition piece is actually when it's joining two circles together. So we're going from a large circle to a small circle, and this is our transition piece here in the center.
So would it have been better to use paper for the development?
I feel the cardboard is well suited to use for the development, as I was able to recycle an old cereal box, which shows students why it's important to recycle stuff. And also the cardboard gave me a good structure to create the planes of reference and a sturdy model which shows the students clearly how the triangulation method works. So if I move on to now my assessment question. This is my assessment question of transition pieces. I've broken it down into 3 different parts. So my first part, I have basically asked students to place the exit hole of this slide. I use the slide as I feel it'll motivate students to want to actually do the question and want to study the topic. Part B is basically the students completing the development of one half of this transition piece. So we're going from a large circle here to a small circle here on the inside. And part C then, I have decided to put an element of design which wouldn't be, it's kind of a unique part of the question and wouldn't normally be seen in the DCG syllabus.
For part A, what is the purpose of letting students place where the exit hole is?
So in this question, I let students place the exit hole wherever they want on this, just so that they can have their own unique answer to a question and they're not limited by a linear focus of the question, which is often seen in the DCG Leaving Cert exam papers.
Is part C relevant to the DCG syllabus?
Again, it is a design and communication subject, so I feel there's too much there's communication going on, but there's no design. So this part C allows students to venture outside their comfort zone and actually think about where DCG might be used in real life. So they have to actually design where this entry chute for the slide is going to come through, and actually gives them an idea of what they might use DCG for in their future careers.